Assalamualaikum, morning. So today we're going to continue with 2.7, impulse and impulsive force. Okay, first thing before we go for this subtopic, you have to make yourself clear with momentum. So impulse is the product of momentum. We're going to discuss impulse means you have to know momentum. So what is impulse? So you can see here from the picture, this is a long jumper, an athlete. So whenever the athlete jumps, before he lands, he will bend his legs. So dia akan bengkokkan kaki dia. Kenapa bengkokkan kaki dia? Jatuhlah seketui tegak macam tu kan. Okay, so to prevent the injury and for some reason due to science, so you have to bend your legs so that you lengthen the time. So kita tambah masa untuk landing, so kita boleh mengurangkan kecederaan. Okay, so this one is about impulsive force. Okay, so why he bends his leg. Okay, so now we learned what is impulse. So impulse, you can see from the equation itself, this is mv, which is momentum. Mu pun momentum. So momentum akhir tolak momentum awal. So in simple words, impulse is change of momentum. Perubahan momentum. Momentum is mass times velocity. So kita boleh guna simbol J ataupun boleh guna simbol FT. So mana-mana simbol pun boleh lah. Still impulse. Okay, then again, so impulse FT equal to change of momentum. Perubahan momentum means momentum akhir tolak momentum awal. Okay, you can get negative value. So boleh dapat nilai positif pun boleh, dapat nilai negatif pun boleh. Tak ada masalah. Sebab mungkin yang ni lebih laju daripada ini atau ini lebih laju daripada ini. Okay, so dapat positif atau negatif. Okay, then we have another one. Impulsive force. So this is impulse, FT. So impulsive force is the F saja. So T turun bawah. So impulsive force equal to MV minus MU over T. So kita baca balik, what is this? This is perubahan momentum divided by time. So we can say this is kadar perubahan momentum. So you can see from your textbooks, formula is impulsive force as follow. So momentum is a collision or impact in a short period of time. So T ni sangat-sangat kecil. Dalam saat selalu 0 point something. Okay. So ini kita panggil the rate of change, kadar perubahan momentum. So bila ada perkataan kadar ni, perubahan momentum, ada perkataan kadar means divide by time, atau bahasa mudahnya ni kita panggil impact force. Impact ni maksud apa? Dia tengah collide. Dia tengah berlanggar. So time dia sangat kecil. So berapa perubahan momentum ketika dia berlanggar? Itu impact force. So lagi tinggi impact force, lagi tinggi kita punya injury lah. Okay, now dalam tajuk ni, kalau melibatkan pengiraan tak ada masalah. So, tengok kat sini Bila kita susun balik, F berkadar songsang dengan time. So, F berkadar songsang inversely proportional with time means kalau impact time tu lagi kecil, force kita lagi tinggi. So, kalau impact time kita besar, force kita rendah lah sebab dia berkadar songsang. Okay, contoh macam ni lah. Kalau awak tumbuk kawan awak biar tangan awak kat body dia, so dia tak sakit sangat. Cuba awak tumbuk tapi awak tarik balik tangan awak cepat-cepat. So T kita kecil. So F kita akan lebih besar lah. Okay, tak percaya boleh demo dengan kawan lah. Okay, so on the next page, kita nak tengok application lah. Okay, so this application of impulsive force and impulse can be explained by, tengok kat sini, Newton's third law. Newton's ada 3 law, kita dah belajar first and second law. So third law states that for every action there is a reaction of equal magnitude but opposite direction. Okay, kena ingat this statement Okay, every action has reaction equal magnitude, nilai yang sama but opposite direction. Contohnya awak pergi tampar dinding, dinding tu tampar awak balik lah sebab tu tangan awak sakit. Tapi awak mangkuk lah awak pergi tampar dinding. Kan? So awak pergi tanduk dinding, dinding berlubang, kepala awak pun berlubang. Sebab dinding tu bagi balik kat awak sama gaya yang sama yang awak pergi tanduk dia. Okey, itu maksud Action and reaction equal magnitude, opposite direction. Okay, so kalau kita sepak bola pun tengoklah. Kalau siapa main bola, so selalu coach kata follow through. So follow through action after a strong kick produce a large impulse. Okay, large impulse, bola pergi lagi jauh lah. Momentum dia lagi tinggi. Okay, yang ni kita nak cerita. Pasal impulse, initial, momentum, impulsive force. Okay, so during collision, okay, let's say this we have a test. Collision cause a car to stop and experience a change in momentum, the crumple zone. Okay, crumple zone ni kita panggil bumper. Okay, kadang-kadang awak tengok dalam satu accident, kereta tu lagi remuk, lagi teruk kereta tu, lagi selamat penumpang kat dalam dia. Okay, kenapa? So, masa dia accident, bahagian ni, okay, kita panggil bumper, crumple zone ni. Okay, bahagian ni remuk teruk. Bila dia remuk teruk, case dia sama macam kita bend the legs lah. So, bila dia, okay, ini depan kereta ni, dia duduk macam ni. Bila kena accident, dia langgar. So, bahagian ni remuk. Remuk ni maksud dia, masa ketika dia remuk tu, time dia increase lah. So, bila time dia increase, force dia kurang lah. Lagi teruk dia remuk, lagi kurang dia punya force. So, kalau dia keras kat sini, pedebung, so T dia sangat kecil. Means force dia tinggi. Okay, sama juga dengan airbag. So, airbag ni fungsi dia, bila dia terlanggar, dia jadi macam cushion. So, badan kita tak kena steering ni. Kalau steering keras, so dia akan absorb. Okay, absorb. So, maksud dia, fungsi dia, increase the T. So, when you increase the T, your F will be decrease, less. So, kita kurang injury lah. Tapi kalau tak pakai seatbelt, melambung keluar. Okay, so that's why sometimes orang gelak, oh kereta ni, kita Malaysia, accident, lagi accident, pecah teruk. Pecah teruk tak apa lah, asalkan nyawa selamat. Kereta boleh repair, nyawa tak boleh nak repair. Okay, you can see this one, lesung, rambut sambai. Okay, so lesung, bila ketuk lesung, kita kena ketuk laju-laju lah. So, dia kena terus angkat. Awak tak boleh lenyek, pusing kat situ. So, dia lambat nak pecah lah. Impact dia kena berapa? Sebab kita buat cepat-cepat, so that we have large impulsive force. So, kita kurangkan T, kita tinggikan F. Okay, so in your exam, you need to explain that. If the question is about calculation, senang je lah. Final tolak initial, divide by time, you get the F. Okay, tapi kalau dia suruh explain, okay, macam mana nak increase time? Jangan jawab, okay, untuk reduce injury in accident, kita increase the time. Macam mana nak increase the time? Ada satu kereta, nak langgar satu bas, okay, nak kurangkan kecederaan, increase the time. Okay, masa langgar tu, langgar lagi, lama lagi. Jangan break. Macam tu ke? So, how to increase the time means you use apa bumper yang boleh absorb, yang lembut, tak boleh yang keras. Okay, jangan cakap to reduce the injury, increase the time. Macam mana nak increase the time? Kita bukan boleh buat slow-mo. Kan, tiba-tiba stop pergi slow-mo, tak boleh. So, how you increase the time is by using any device, okay, any equipment, any technology to help you to increase the time. Okay, so that's the thing. Okay, tajuk ni dia suka tanya macam tu lah. Sebab kalau calculation dia senang sangat. Okay, you can see the calculation is very simple. Okay, the example of the calculation. A plasticine ball has 0.058 kilogram. Is thrown at a velocity of 10 meter per second and hits the wall. It sticks to the wall. It sticks means dia melekat, dia tak bergerak lah. So, V dia equal to 0. This is initial velocity, U. What is the impulse of the plasticine? So, after you list down, make sure everything is already in SI unit. Apply the equation. You want to use J or you want to use FT, no problem with that. Okay, so now you can see, plot in the numbers, the answer is negative. So, negative means in the opposite direction of the velocity of the plasticine. Okay, dia baling plasticine. Dia pergi sini U. Sampai kat sini dia melekat seketui. So, 0.58 negative means opposite direction. Wall ni yang bagi dekat dia sebanyak 0.58. Kalau dapat positif, dia yang hentam wall. 0.58 positif. Itu 0.58 negatif. So don't worry for that. Okay, then we have another example. A golfer hits a golf ball 45.93 gram. Okay, you can see this is not in SI unit. SI unit mesti kilogram. Okay, 50 meter per second. The impact time is 0.005 second. Sangat-sangat kecil. What is the impulsive force? So, impulsive force, rearrange the equation to get the F, T bawa turun. So, mistakes might happen here. Kalau lupa tukar unit, dapat jawapan lain lah. Okay, so you get positive means I think it's the same direction as the velocity of the golf ball. So, golf ball ni. Ini dia punya iron. Dia pergi sama arah dengan golf ball. Dia hentam pum, dia kenakan terhadap golf ball. Golf ball ni gerak. So, dia kenakan positif lah. So, you can try this formative question, which is very, very simple. In a car collision test, a car of mass, okay, already in SI unit, 50 meter per second, the car bounces back with a speed of 2.6. If the collision is 0.15, calculate the impulse, means the whole Ft, okay, V minus mu, impulsive force, so T bawa turun, so dapat impulsive force. A football player kicks a ball of 450, this is not SI unit, the force is given, the contact time is given, so the question is, what is the impulse on the ball? If the contact time is increased, what is the velocity of the ball? Okay, so if you increase the contact time, supposed to be you get faster or slower. Okay, so do your math. Alright, so this is very simple. I hope we can understand this easily. Then for next class, we're going for 2.8. Alright, thank you.